Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import shift schedules here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, you would need to prepare your data. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and create your spreadsheet or CSV file, or if you already have one, just like this one right here, just make sure it has the necessary columns for your shift schedule, such as employee ID, date, and shift name. Now, what you'll do next is just go ahead and save this particular CSV file. And then once done in your Zoho People account, okay, what you'll do is just go ahead over to attendance right here in the left panel. And then at the top, just click on team or your data. If you want to import your own data, go ahead and go to my data right here and click on shift. Click on three dots and just click on import. If it's for your team, click on team, shift schedule, click on three dots and hit on import. Okay. Now in here, the type of import, shift-wise or employee-wise. Okay. This is the supported format. Column 1 or column A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. Click on import right here. Now go ahead and find the specific CSV file. Hit on open. And just click on next. Okay. Now go ahead and map these fields. For employee email ID or employer ID, just select from one of the drop down. Okay. To select again from start date, of course, shift. And again, make sure that your prepared CSV or XLS got the necessary columns. Okay. Again, for your shift schedule, employee ID, the date and shift name, so that you can easily map it right here. And once you're done mapping, what you need to do is just hit on next right here. And once done, you can go ahead and enable update past days attendance entries. If not, untick it. Hit on next and you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.